Step 1. Download and install MAMP on your computer. The first step is to download and install MAMP on your computer. You can do this from the official MAMP website. Now install the MAMP application, after the download is complete. After installations is complete, run the MAMP application. Step 2. Setting up a database for local WordPress setup. The next thing you need to do is to create a blank MySQL database. After launching MAMP, MAMP window will open. Click on the Start Servers button. After the servers starts working, click on the Open Web Start page. Now simply click on PHP My Admin. Once logged in, you need to click on Databases in PHP My Admin to create a new database for WordPress. It will ask you to choose a name for your new database. We named ours WordPress Demo. After that, click on the Create button. Step 3. Installing WordPress on Windows using MAMP. The next thing you need to do is download the latest version of WordPress from the WordPress.org website. It will download as a zip file. Now you need to navigate to the folder where you installed MAMP. In this tutorial, we installed WAMP in C:\MAMP, so we'll refer to that folder going forward. Paste the WordPress zip file into the C:\MAMP\docs folder. Now you need to extract the zip file docs folder. You can rename the WordPress folder to anything you want, such as My Site, Test Site, etc. This will be the URL of your local WordPress site, so be sure to choose something you'll remember easily. For the sake of this tutorial, we renamed the folder from WordPress to WordPress Demo. Next, you can open the web browser and go to http://localhost/WordPressDemo. First, it'll ask you to select a language and then show you the database setup information. Once you have read it carefully, go ahead and click on the Let's Go button to continue. After that, you need to enter your database details like database name, username, password, host, and table prefix. The database name will be the one that you entered in the previous step. In our case, we called it WordPress Demo. The username will be root, and the password will be root as well. You can leave the database host and table prefix as is. Next, click on the Submit button and WordPress will create a configuration file for you in the backend. Go ahead and click on the Run the Installation button to continue. It will take you to the welcome screen for WordPress. You need to add a title for your new WordPress website. Choose an admin username. Enter a strong password. And provide an admin email address. Once you're ready, click on the Install WordPress button. After the installation process is complete, you'll see a success message. You can then proceed to your WordPress dashboard by clicking on the Login button. Enter your website login credentials to proceed to your WordPress dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully installed WordPress on a Windows computer using MAMP.